Alright, everybody, welcome back to the Skatebird.
What?
Skatebird V-Rage.
Fuck's a skateboard?
Oh, no, wait, wrong one. Nope, wrong one.
Wait, I have a question. Why do you have the Harry Potter collection?
Why don't you shut your mouth, V-Rage?
What? No, the correct question B is why don't you have the Harry Potter collection?
Also, my girlfriend's a fan of Harry Potter, dude.
Yeah, also, I'd like to precede that with I don't have that Harry Potter collection either. But I'm going to judge you regardless. Frankly, I don't like Harry Potter.
The fun fact, that's the Andromeda Galaxy.
Mm-hmm.
I never said it on video, I said it to you guys in person.
True. To be real, I
Is it-
forgot you told me that in
is it-
general.
Yeah, it's this. Play this filet. Oh!
Get your extra lives.
Oh, or just jump over Toad.
Yeah.
Either one.
Did you just say get your extra lives, dude?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get.
It gives you extra lives.
Yeah, she
Just
gives me
one
5 boners.
Yeah. 5 mushrooms.
Or mushroom tips,
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go get the 6th one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Do 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 do.
To be real, I don't even know like how close we are to like getting through this.
We're never gonna finish.
It's okay.
It's good.
Like I assume it seems like we're uploading them like not all at once, but like once they're done, right?
Well, that's just because I haven't uploaded anything yet.
I mean, that was my assumption based on that. I mean, you could have rolled with that, but it's
Sure.
yeah, we'll just cut that part out.
You can make as many asses
Right.
as you want.
So,
out of me.
I gotta go to the kitchen. I have no idea what the fuck we did last episode.
I don't even remember.
I think you died a lot, and we just laughed at you.
Yeah, I think that was the case.
Well,
was, like,
you
some
know what,
kind of
V-Rage?
Oh yeah.
Joke's on you because we laugh at you all the time.
Remember, because it was that weird galaxy where you had to like race that ghost, and it was ridiculous.
and then he got really mad. Yes, yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Oh, if that's what it is.
I don't-
We're canceling this recording session.
Oh yeah, because I don't think we beat it.
All right, I'll see you in the next episode.
Enemy base in the region. We're not misusing the power of that grand star. What?
What?
Got deep real quick.
Oh. Yeah, we can just do this instead.
Oh yeah, I went to do another star, so I could unlock the next level without doing that.
Oh,
fucking
that's
star.
right. Because that sucked.
Because I'm a pro MLG gamer.
Yeah.
Oh.
That escalated quickly.
You sure about that, buddy? This looks like it's gonna be a good one.
Stay tuned for more.
Yeah. Boom. 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 Eat dick. Oh, Hybrid's playing Animal Crossing.
Everybody's playing Animal Crossing.
The new update isn't out yet. It's fucking November 5th.
Yeah, they're getting prepped. They're getting their towns ready. They're getting their bodies ready.
Nah, man.
Dude, that dude was literally right in front of you and missed you.
Well, yeah, because they love it.
Yeah, well, he could just stop being an idiot and just fucking dome you right there.
Who cares if he loves it, man? Kill him.
What?
Who cares if he loves it? Just kill him.
What the hell are you talking about?
You
He
said,
said
but he
lobs it. Lobs it.
Can you
Yeah,
stop?
English
Lob-
isn't my first language.
Like lobster.
I don't understand that. I don't eat lobster.
You don't have to eat lobster to know what lobster is.
Okay, that guy
I do.
fucking sniped me. Okay.
Okay.
Stay in the line of
No,
fire.
see, it's a speedrun strat. He's damage glitching.
Damage boosting is what we call
Or
it.
damage boosting. My bad.
Can't. You talk about speed strats.
I might
You know-
games done quick this year, my guy.
Yeah.
It's like playing basketball. You just made a home
Yeah,
run.
fun
Homie.
fact, this has all been one session. We have not split up the sessions at all. Right, guys?
We have been indefinitely sitting here for the next.
My fucking eyes! Oh, please.
My
Please.
bleed.
Oh my god, no! Oh, fuck you, I'm leaving you.
Dude, you gotta collect more shit.
Oh my god, I'm at 23 star boots.
And one health
Oh
left.
yeah, you know what? Oh
Yeah.
yeah? Boom.
You got more stuff.
That's actually just barely enough. Don't you gotta stomp on their heads or their butts or something? Oh, what the fuck?
I was like, I'm gonna shoot this thing with a star bit. But you know what? Fuck it. That was the plan. And I was gonna respawn there with full health. Give me the 6 lives, bud.
Now fill him up.
And now fart and destroy yourself. Transfart!
Is this game where expansion fetishes come from?
Oh, please don't fucking talk about that. Viewers, you're gonna ruin beer rage again, man.
Expansion fetish. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
we're not gonna talk about that.
Alright, that's it. Come on.
Come on, Dad.
Boom!
Please don't.
Come on, Dad.
Alright.
Don't do me like that, Daddy.
Teach me about fetishes, Dad. Alright. Now you gotta get that extra life, right?
No.
You do, though.
Oh!
You did.
Ow!
Oh, it's a good thing that skateboard has a back, like, tail to it.
Well, yeah, so I can do sick gnarly kickflips, man.
Yeah.
Ken and Alex talking skateboardy.
Yeah. Oh, dude, he juked you.
He did, but I got him, so I don't care. I'm better.
Is that skateboard language, didn't you?
No. Look at
All
Bowser
right.
juking.
Bowser Jordan?
I just realized his initials are BJ.
Yeah. Beach, for sure.
Ow.
Boom. Ooh, look at those tricks.
Oh, I did not. I thought they all exploded. Turns out they did not.
Oh. Wow, that was a little bit anticlimactic there.
Oh, fucking shit.
Why would you fuck shit?
Did Bowser Jr. just kill his own turtle to make sure
Yeah.
he couldn't get the shell?
Yeah.
The dude's name is BJ. He's gonna be a dick.
True, though.
Get it?
He's not my
Yeah.
president.
Oh.
Yeah, good old
Ah, fuck you.
Good old BJ.
Good old
BJ.
BJ.
That's what I was gonna say. Kenny.
Okay. I don't know what to do.
Kill him. Don't you just pick up the turtle shell and toss it to the Bowser?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you gotta sink his battleship, bro. There we go. There we go. Oh, now it's getting trickier. Getting trickier.
Oh my god,
shit.
fuck off.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Oh.
fuck. Oh, I got him.
Whew.
Oh,
That was-
okay. I was cutting it close.
That was a close one.
Good job.
Oh my god. Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
I got Grand
The-
Star.
You know, MLG Pro skills. Imagine I died right now.
I'm like, yeah, that would be kind of funny. Kind of hilarious, if we're being honest here.
I know it's so funny, man.
Why is everything so hilarious?
Why are you so funny, B Rich?
You know what? It's because I'm Indian. So.
I don't think that. I don't think that's.
I think that correlates to you. I think you're trying to mix stuff up. You're trying
Yeah.
to seem cool.
Looks like you only got 2 more big levels to go though. Like 2 more galaxies.
2 more Mario Galaxies.
Yeah.
I'll see myself out.
Good.
I like how Mario just stares at me. He's like, "Oh, you're garbage at this game."
You know what Mario's last name is?
Mario.
Mario.
It's insane.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That makes no bloody sense. Mario. So when Peach writes her letters to him, is she saying his first name or last name? Or when anyone calls by him?
They're saying
Usually
his first name.
If they were saying his last name, it'd be Mr. Mario. Or Dr. Mario, if you will.
No, he's only a doctor in certain games.
Mm-hmm. But he's still Dr. Mario Mario.
PhD or MD?
I don't know.
HD's nuts.
Got him.
I'm gonna leave now.
It's probably for the best.
This is the bedroom. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck your mom.
What? That's a Luma in there, dude. Calm down. That's a Luma.
Gusty Garden.
You're gonna hate yourself.
No, you're gonna hate yourself. Because I already
Too late,
hate
brother.
you. Oh!
Got him.
Bunny's in the wind.
Bunny's in the wind. Oh, I hate these missions.
They said, but they said,
Oh, this
butters
is-
in the wind.
Butters in the wind?
Whoa!
I already got a bunny. Here, I win. With floaty fluff, you can shake the Joy-Con or press Y to fly higher, but only up to 3 times. Boing!
Boing.
Boom! Boom.
That was close, Alex.
That's our boy, you know, always cutting it close.
Hey,
Nice.
that's why they call me Close Cut.
The close cut.
What? Damn, B.
Get out of here, you fucking goober.
Cooper.
My name is Booter. So the trick is not to spin your wheel at all. Told you. You made it.
I spun it twice, bud.
Yeah, but he
That was your
told you
mistake.
not to do that because he knew you would do it if he told you
Oh,
not
this is
to.
a great camera angle.
Reverse psychology.
Mm-hmm.
Reverse geometry.
Mm-hmm. Which is just geometry, but backwards.
Wait, what?
Which is still just geometry.
I don't like where this is going.
This is going to math.
Oh my god. Hey, but oh. Oh, do I go in here? I'm gonna go in here.
Do it. Dude, this is trippy. Yeah, get all of them star bits so you can feed them Lumas.
They eat the money. Dude, are these fucking like Monty moles? Ow.
What I don't understand is what is the Mario game's obsession with animals that throw random ass tools?
Well, Ken, if you work in the construction industry, you'd still be confused.
And Alex works in the construction
In industry?
industry.
Industry.
That's like in one of the Johto episodes, when Ash is battling Faulkner. Faulkner's like, hoot hoot, dodge before you use electricity. He forgets the R.
Wait, he also said electricity.
No,
not
he said electricity.
Yeah, but he
Oh.
didn't say an actual move, so.
No.
Come on, come on.
To be fair though, they animated that a lot. Where they just didn't name moves, like especially early on. It was just like, don't get hit by I got, something stupid.
Like dodge. Who the hell dodges?
Yeah.
Dodge and then use the poopers.
Yep.
Ding ding. Yeah.
Okay, that was weird.
No, it's called gravity, Ken.
It's called gravity. I don't believe in gravity.
But I wouldn't understand
What are you, a flat earther?
hillbilly like you to understand what gravity is.
Yeah, gravity is a social construct made up by the mainstream media to sell us dietary supplements.
Oh yeah. You could have gone anywhere with that. And you chose dietary supplements.
Yeah, man. Look, cut me some slack. I was put on the spot by myself.
Oh, well, watch this. Boom. Yeah. Oh. Boom.
Oh,
Ha ha ha! Hit you in the butt.
What? In the butt. What? In the butt.
Come on, come at me. At me.
Come at me, bro.
Oh.
You got this, buddy.
Come at me. I know you want to. I know you want to. Come on.
He wants to. You can see it.
Boom.
Yeah, boy. That's how we do it.
This is how we do it. Oh yeah.
Also, is this like Super Mario Golf Galaxy?
Oh.
I was like, what the hell? I think we gotta feed those flowers star bits.
Yo, Ken.
Feed your flowers.
MVP Ken, man.
My goddamn genius.
It's about fucking time. Come on.
Genius
Come
with
on.
a capital J.
Blue genius.
Yep.
The blue genius. Oh, I get it. Because he wears blue jeans, right?
Yeah.
No, I wear khakis because I'm Jake from State Farm.
Because you're Jake. Oh my god, I hate your guts.
Why do you have to hate my guts? What if my guts are dirty?
Alright, congrats. Now you have to chase that. Oh, wait. Now you... Is this where you have to chase that? Yep. Man, ever since... This was like, the N64, Super Mario 64 for the DS was when these stupid rabbits were added, right?
I don't fucking know. Do you think I know Mario lore?
Yeah, I think Mario 64, yeah.
God, I hated that so much.
I never played the game, so...
Dude, it's so fucking stupid.
Like,
I like the game. I don't like the chasing rabbit bullshit.
Alex, you should get those starbits. You'll be needing them in about 30 minutes.
You need to let him catch this rabbit, man.
I had him. I had him.
You literally had him.
I got him.
We got him.
He needs to catch these nuts, but...
We
Okay.
got him. Also, that's bestiality, V.
What? That's just...
Check
Why did they like that with
check
you,
it
Ken?
out.
What if he
What's
likes
it all about? Work it out. Let's turn this party out.
Isn't that from a Naruto theme song?
No, it's not even close. It's the Beastie Boys, man.
Yeah, come on, V. You can't be making Beastie Boys references, though, and expect me to know what you're talking about.
What's a Beastie Boy? Sounds bestiality.
Look, okay, you should at least know that they fought for your right to
In-
party.
Yeah, they also fought in World War II.
I don't
Yeah.
party though.
They didn't fight in World War II. I lied.
That's fake news.
Yeah. Well, hey man, Republicans can't vote. Not until they fix the mistake, the error of the 2020 election.
Yep, it's true. But yeah, no, they fought for your right to party. So even if you don't party, like the fact that you have the right to party,
Yeah.
is thanks to
That sounds forced.
No, it's not forced.
no,
They fought for everyone's right to party.
everyone's right.
You're
to
just part of everyone. Don't feel special.
party. It do be like that.
We like to fight. Oh, you're right. You
Mystery
punch.
Galaxy.
Alright, let's...
Now they're gonna make you chase down 3 rabbits.
Oh,
Alex is
really?
in rabbit hole.
I don't think so.
Get it, Alex? Alex
Dirty
is in the
trick.
rabbit hole.
He's in the rabbit hole now.
Yeah, I'm gonna... You're lucky you're a snack, bud.
What?
Remember yesterday?
Major Burrows.
Called you a snack, and then you stopped talking to us for like an hour.
Yeah, you were like, ooh, and then you stopped talking to us for an hour.
Pretty good time.
Pretty funny.
It's pretty
I
funny.
don't remember any of this.
I was like, you were like, I'm gonna go get a snack. I'm like, but V, you are the snack. And then you were like, and then you stopped talking to us for an hour.
Oh, I muted and walked away.
Because he wanted to get a snack.
That'd be very accurate, Steve.
I tried to talk to him, but apparently Mario had different ideas. Touch the moles, try pounding the ground near them, boy. Okay.
What is this weird social hierarchy where like moles are like the lesser people of the weird rodent mammal kingdom? You know what I mean?
They
Like-
literally live underground. They are dirt.
Yeah, but like rabbits dig holes in your fucking gardens too.
Yeah, but they don't live there.
But they're somehow the
They
good
do
guys.
live there, bud.
They do live there.
That's literally the entire...
Okay, but like, how many do you know that live with humans versus moles that live with humans?
Well, to be fair,
Well,
that's
it's because
really-
moles aren't fucking domesticated.
Yeah.
That sounds like a personal problem.
Oh, so in order to fit in, you've got to be domesticated.
Yeah,
Why do you think
that's,
dogs are a
you
thing?
know... Next thing you know, he's gonna say that, you know, to be an active member of society, you gotta be white.
I mean,
God damn it.
what? I said I mean.
We know,
Yeah.
we know what you mean. Great.
Watching Mario just stare at that coin as he slowly glided past it was kind of hilarious.
He's like, "No, he's a
So
dog."
was that not what you were supposed to do?
Yeah, what the? Is that Major Mole or is that one of his minions?
One of his minions. Did you hear him say banana?
Banana.
Speaking of mole, do any of you guys have moles on your bodies?
I mean, yeah. I don't know why you're asking me that question, but
That's like the time that Enigma asked me if he was I almost said constipated. That was not what Enigma asked.
Yeah.
Although I would not be surprised if he did ask you that.
That is very true. Enigma asks some interesting questions. And pretty much all of them catch me off guard.
So what was he asking? What were you saying?
He asked Ken if he was
Circumcised. It was like out of the fucking blue.
yeah, he was just like, Ken, are you circumcised? And Ken was like, and he like reluctantly asked, what, you know what? Fuck it.
Reluctantly.
Spelunkied?
Yeah, or spelunkingly last answered, and then it led to a really funny joke.
Which really wasn't that funny. It was just, I don't know. It was more or less the fact that it was out of the blue. I think that did it for me. Wow, they recover quick.
Well, Ken, you see, 1 in 4 males. I mean, 1 in 4 moles.
See you next time.
That's all, folks.
Fuck your mother. I'm on a big green and brown turd with spicy
I was about to say
stuff.
the same thing. I'm like, god damn.
This
is
is
a
a
big
turd.
turd.
It's just in the fucking sky, man. So,
Also, I don't understand how any of the Mario galaxies like work. Like, do they understand how planets work?
yes. So, I'm about to,
I'm no astrophysicist, but
oh yeah? I have no idea what you just said. So, it proves that you're an astrophysicist.
Makes sense.
So, I'm gonna let all y'all watching in on a little, a nice little fun fact that I learned the other day. Hot dogs were invented by what's his name? William J. Hot Dog.
Whatever, you can put any name, initial, and end it in hot dog, and it's the same joke.
Alex G. Hot Dog.
When he accidentally dropped his pig buttholes in his pizza maker machine or something like that.
Yeah, you get the gist of it.
And yeah, we created hot dogs that way.
Yeah, exactly. It's true. I read it on the internet, so it's
Well,
factually accurate.
What am I supposed to do here?
You've been around in circles.
Running around. Yeah, keep running because you gotta get to the other side. Or you could do that too.
Shake, 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 shake it.
Oh yeah, you listen to Miley Cyrus's brother?
Wait, that's Miley Cyrus's brother?
Yeah.
Miley Cyrus has a brother?
Yeah.
Wait, no, she doesn't.
Yeah.
I thought she only had a sister, Hannah
Yeah.
Montana.
Who?
Yeah.
I know Lucky Kentucky. Who the fuck's Hannah Montana?
Lucky Kentucky.
Fuck.
I gotta jump on this boo boo.
Yeah. Jump on his Ghiblies.
Ghibli Wibblies.
Ghibli's? Ghibli's
Also,
the character
wait,
in iCarly. Calm down.
How long are we doing these episodes again?
I don't know, usually like half an hour, but we always end up going over.
Okay, because I was like, are we doing 20 minutes? Because we were at 26 minutes.
I think we started with like, hey, we're gonna do these 20 minutes, and
We
then,
get 45.
and then we just
In Sandwich Bros fashion, we are like
we don't know
Wait,
how time works.
not keeping track of time.
wait, am I a sandwich bro now?
No.
Wow,
It's
that was really bad.
an exclusive club, B-Rage. You gotta.
Can I be the brown sandwich bro?
No.
The wheat bread and the sandwich bros.
Emu was an honorary one, apparently. I don't know when that happened, but apparently.
Yeah, I'm not sure when that happened either, but I remember. I guess it's essentially just because we just keep talking about him, right?
Oh no, it's because when we rebranded the other one as Sandwich Bros, he was still like technically part of the channel group. So.
Considering I don't think we go like an episode of anything without bringing up something Inu said and or did.
And to be honest, like out of everybody else, he's the one that we're the closest to. So I mean, ow! I was supposed to hurt you, not the other way around.
What am I, chopped liver? What the fuck?
No,
You
can't
were
be talking
fucking
about-
gone for like 3 years, bud. Like.
To be fair, so
No.
was I.
Yeah, but you answered my DMs, man.
True.
No DM me. What the fuck?
I DM'd you, and then we played games, and then yeah, that's about it.
Plus,
Nothing else
even
happened.
when you guys were like heavy into ESO, like Pokemon games, you were still around.
True.
V just disappeared off the face of the earth.
To be fair, it happens. He got IRL, and then he came back and was married.
He had
Not
to be,
married.
He had a Beyonce.
He had a Beyonce. That's a penis.
I don't know what kind of penis you have, bud, but mine doesn't have teeth, you know. Come back here, come back here, come back.
Oh, you almost ran right into. Oh, I was like, wait a second.
You're like, wait for it.
Yep. Yeah.
So, out. Alright, I knew I was. I did it on purpose.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Yeah, I did it on purpose.
Alright, so this must be where Major Morsel is. Right?
The Major Burrows.
Yeah. Dude, that dude looks like he's straight out of Crash Bandicoot, by the way.
Ow.
I love Cash Bandicoot.
I like the Crash Bandicoot games. I haven't played any of like the remakes or anything like that.
No.
I used to play one of them a long time. I think it was like a mini game.
Yeah. Oh, dude, he is pissed. Oh, he's dumb.
Oh, is it Monty Mole?
Yeah.
Now you know why they're relegated to being on the latter half of the food chain.
I don't think so, man. I think he's fine. He's just trying to dig dirt and live his life. And these rabbits are like, no, this is our land. I'm just saying, it's rabbit-based imperialism.
Who was there first? Who was
Manifest Destiny. Definitely the moles.
Think so?
I think so.
So you think it's a Native American?
What the fuck?
Back for the land?
Okay, what the hell are you
IRL
talking about?
terms. Huh?
What the hell is
We're just talking about colonialism, imperialism. How the rabbits are the worst.
We're pretty much talking about Star Wars.
No!
Got you good there, bud.
If you follow the tracks, that's where he's gonna pop up.
Going too fast.
I need a coin.
Underneath.
Nope.
Nope, too late.
Too bad.
Too bad.
See, at least you didn't fall off the planet. You just stuck there.
Well, you know what? It's gonna
No.
happen next time.